We are discussing the 2023 ISI BSTAT paper, and this is question number 12. So here we are asked to find the value of this expression. Now, if you look at this expression, this term cos of k pi by 3, cos theta plus I sin theta is e to the power I theta. This is a very famous identity. So therefore, the right hand side is the real part of the expansion of sum of k equal to 0 to 202 minus 1 to the power k 202 ck into e to the power I k pi by 3. So this is the real part in this expansion. The right hand side is the real part in the expansion of this term. Now here we are going to use another binomial identity, which is 1 minus e to the power x to the power n is given by sum of k equal to 0 to n minus 1 to the power k times n ck times e to the power kx. So if I put that, I get the given expression as, here we can assume that x is equal to I pi by 3 is equal to x. You can assume that. So if I assume that, then I can write this as 1 minus e to the power I pi by 3 to the power 202 is the given expression, which is the right hand side. So this is the given expression. Now we also know that e to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta is 2 cos theta. Now here theta is pi by 3, so I can take theta as pi by 3. So I get e to the power I pi by 3 plus e to the power minus I pi by 3 is 2 cos pi by 3, which is 1. So that means I can write 1 minus e to the power I pi by 3 is equal to e to the power minus I pi by 3. So therefore I can write this as, the left hand side can be written as e to the power minus I pi by 3 to the power 202, which is e to the power minus 202 I pi by 3. And we are going to take the real part of it, so which is going to be equal to cos of 202 pi by 3 is the real part. So which is going to be equal to the right hand side. So therefore the right hand side becomes equal to cos of 202 pi by 3. So which is option C. We move to the next question, which is question number 30. So in this question, it says for real numbers a, b, c, d and a dash, b dash, c dash, d dash, the system of equations given by these two has solutions, real solutions of x and y, and the number of solutions, S denotes the set of all real solutions, so the number of elements of S can never be what? So which means that they are asking that the number of solution sets can never be equal to which number. So if I look at the first expression, ax square plus ay square plus bx plus cy plus d equal to 0. Now suppose there can be two cases. Case 1 is if a is equal to 0, then this becomes bx plus cy plus d equal to 0, which means this is the equation of a line, straight line. And case 2 is if a is not equal to 0, then this equation can be written as x square plus b by ax plus y square plus c by ay plus d by a equal to 0. Now this can be arranged into the equation of a circle by writing it as x square plus b by 2a whole square plus y square plus c by 2a whole square equals b square plus c square by 4a square minus d by a, which can be written as r square. So this becomes the equation of a circle. So that means there are two possibilities. Either it's the equation of a line or it's the equation of a circle. Now the second equation is also similar. So that means if I take the two cases, I can have either two straight lines, or I can have two circles, or I can have one straight line and one circle. Now if I have two straight lines, now therefore the possibilities are that the lines can be parallel, in which there can be no solution. They can be coincident, which means infinite solutions, or they can intersect, which means there can be one solution. So there can be no solution, which means lines are parallel. There can be one solution, which means that lines are intersecting. And there can be infinite solutions. That means the lines can be coincident. If there are two circles, then there are two possibilities. They are coincident, which means infinite solutions, or they can be interacting, which means intersecting, which means two solutions intersecting. And if it is one straight line and one circle, then there can be no solution. That means the line and circle are not touching each other. There can be one solution, or there can be two solutions. So this is a tangent, and this is, the line is a secant. So that means in all the cases the possibilities are no solution, that means zero solution, one solution, two solution, or infinite solutions. So 0, 1, 2 can be the solutions of the two equations, but 3 cannot be the number of solutions of the two equations. So the question is, which of the following cannot be the number of solutions of the two equations? So the answer is 3.